I'm Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is Matt Boyes, the Managing Director of Pacgold. Matt, it's great to have you on. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Always happy to be here.
But who wouldn't happy to be in your position right now after raising in excess of $5 million just over a week ago? Mate, congratulations. What an outcome. Talk me through the particulars of this deal.
Yeah, look, thanks very much. We had a busy couple of weeks marketing this last raise, and it was really well supported. It was great to see. I think it just demonstrates that there are a lot of both institutional and private investors out there who believe in the Pacgold story, and it was really good to get that recognition. We were well and truly oversubscribed on this last raise, and to put 5.6 in the bank, it really sets us up for the next 12 months. We are now able to do the work we have been basically promising we were going to do all for the last 6 months, and we've already started drilling. So it's a good win for us. It's well supported, and obviously a big thank you to our shareholders out there. And hopefully now we can really put some runs on the board.
I'm actually going to ask for a little bit more information because this is going towards your Alice River Gold project in far north Queensland. Mate, one of my favourite things about explorers is them spending money. What do the particulars of this drill program look like, or the upcoming next 12 months look like?
Oh, look, it's going to be a busy year. We'll have sort of three types of drilling underway at Alice River. We're going to be doing the RC drilling, which is going to cover both the existing targets and the targets that we were able to generate in the last quarter of last year with the aircore program. So we've got about 7 to 10 kilometres of strike that we're drilling off drill testing, areas that have never been drilled by Pacgold previously. We are going to do some infill and expansion drilling on our existing resource area, where we've just put out a resource estimate of just under 1 million ounces. And we're going to be running some air core programs to the south. So basically extending another 10 kilometres to the south down to the White Lion asset. And then also we'll be doing some diamond core for both structural and metallurgical test work into the central and southern areas, and also potentially into Posy at the north. In conjunction with that, we've already started an regional IP program, and an IP program which will be completed over the White Lion target in the next 6 weeks. And so, we've already completed upwards of 3,500 metres of RC drilling, and so shortly in the near term, we'll have our first RC results trickling back in, and then hopefully, we will be basically delivering news flow from now consistently all the way through to the end of the year. And this for PAC will be the first year that we've drilled for the full 12 months, or the full drill season, for the last 2 years. So it's a really exciting period for us.
Well, it sounds like there's going to be a lot happening at the Alice River project. You can be sure that I'll be checking back in to see how progress is going. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thanks again, Shay, and look forward to seeing you soon.